I'm dreaming of a white Christmas.
There's not a single person on planet Earth who would ever pay to hear you sing.
Could I speak to the drug dealer of the house?
I don't do drugs, though. Just weed.
Hello, 911 emergency. There's a handsome guy in my house. Oh, wait a second, cancel that. It's only me.
It's no secret that the best thing about a secret is secretly telling someone your secret.
I believe you have my stapler.
Do I make you Randy? Yeah.
I was wondering, can I have your number?
Oh, friend.
I'm gonna be bigger than Walmart. I'm gonna be bigger than Johnson & Johnson lotion that feel all smooth on your body. I'm gonna be bigger than that.
How you doing, Sister Siri?
I'm blessed and highly favored.
All right, now.
Hey, Siri, call my girlfriend.
Which one?
Damn, it feels good to be
Turn up.
You know, as I think about the goodness of Jesus and all that he has done for me, my soul cries out hallelujah.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
What's the point, Ventura? Only this.
Hey, Q, do me a favor? Of course. Great. Leave Earth.